Hello everyone and welcome to my channel IB Mathology, your space for mastering IBDP mathematics. In today's video, we will be solving some past year papers questions which are specifically related to AA. So let's start with the topic. In this question, it is given that this equation is exactly divisible by this. It means it is the factor of the equation. We can also write this as x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, when we are writing this equation, we can write it like this also, where your one factor is x square plus 2x plus 1 and another factor we can take as any other quadratic equation where we will be finding out a, b and c value. Now once we will open the right hand side, we will see that my equation is coming as ax to the power 4 and with x cube the coefficients are 2a plus b. With x square the coefficients are a plus 2b plus c. With x the coefficients will be b plus 2c and we have a constant which is c. Now if we compare this RHS equation with this equation, we can say that my a value is 1 directly and my c value is -3. And if we compare all other coefficients x cube to x cube, we will get this equation. If we compare x square coefficient, we will get this. And if we will compare x coefficients, we will get this. Now our question is to find out the values of p and q. So when we will solve and substitute these values of a and c into these three equations, we will get our p value as 2 and q value as -6. So this is how we will solve this question. Now we'll move to the next question. In this question, it is given to me as perimeter 10 centimeter and area 6.25 centimeter. So let's start with solving a question. Perimeter of this will be OA plus arc AB length plus BO, that is given to me as 10. OA is R, AB will be R theta, BO is R, that is equals to 10. Now I can write this as 2R plus R theta equals to 10 and I can take my theta value as 10 upon R minus 2. I will use this. Now area is given to me as 6.25. Area formula is half square theta equals to 6.25. So on simplifying, I can write it like this. Now I will substitute my theta value from equation 1 into this. So r square into 10 upon r minus 2, that will be equals to 12.5. If I open the brackets, I will get 10r minus 2r square at 12.5. Now I will rearrange this equation and I will write it like this: plus 12.5 is equals to 0. And to get to what the question has asked, we will write it like this, and on taking LCM we will get the required answer. This is how we will be solving A part. Now let's move on to the B part. Now let's solve B part of the question. It says find the value of R and theta. So we will be using first part. We will copy the equation and we'll try to make it a perfect square. So this is perfect square like this, and when we will solve, we will get our R value as 5/2. So this is my first answer. Now from the above part, we got one equation as 2 plus theta into R is equals to 6.25. This is from part A. Now if we will substitute my R value like this, so on solving, my theta value will come out as 2. This is how we will solve B part. Thank you for watching this video. If you need the solution to any other question, please share it in the comments box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.